Hey guys, how are you? It's me again. Well, now we're gonna solve trigonometric equations. For these problems, we're gonna be using the special triangles and the unit circle. So, we're gonna solve this equation in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So that means that from 0 to 360 degrees. So the first step that I'm gonna do is we're gonna isolate cosine of x. So this one is adding, it goes subtracting, and then the 2 is multiplying, so it's gonna pass dividing. Okay, so we have cosine. We have to remember cosine in letters is x over r. So our value of x is negative square root of 3, and the r is always positive, that is 2. So because x is negative, we have to know in which quadrants x is negative. X is going to be negative in quadrants 2 and 3. Okay, so now I have to looking for the triangle that has the x as square root of 3 and the r is 2. And that's my triangle of 30 degrees. So I have two triangles in of 30 degrees. So I have to find the angle that is from here to here. So the operation I'm gonna do is one angle is 180 minus 30, and the other angle is gonna be 180 plus 30. So if I have 180 minus 30, that's 150, and 180 plus 30, that's 210 degrees. Okay, that's my answers degrees, but in Alex, the answers come in radians. So how do I convert degrees to radians? I'll multiply by pi over 180. So 150 times pi over 180 and 210 divided by pi over 180. So if I simplify this, that's going to be 5 pi over 6, and 21 divided by 10 is 7 pi over 6. So Alex won the answers in radians. So 5 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. Let's do another one. And I have square root of sine x plus 1. So first I'm going to pass the 1 that is adding, is going to go subtracting. Now that is subtracting, the square root of 2 goes dividing. Okay, another function that I have is sine of x. So sine in letters is y over r. So the y is negative 1 and r is square root of 2, because r is always positive. Now, in which quadrants y is negative? Y is negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So I have to find the triangle that have the y 1 and the r square root of 2. And the triangle is the triangle of 45 degrees. So what operation I'm gonna do to find my two angles. I'm gonna add 180 plus 45 degrees, and the other one, because it's in the fourth quadrant, is gonna be 360 minus 45 degrees. So 180 plus 45 is 225, and 260 minus 45 is 315. But in Alex, the answers are in radians. So I'm going to have to multiply by pi over 180. Okay, so after multiplying and simplifying, x equals 5 pi over 4, and x equals 7 pi over 4. And just remember, you have values of x, y, and r. The values are 1 and 0, or the square roots of 3, 2, and 1. Use a unit circle. Remember, use a unit circle. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. So, solve the classwork.